What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And for those of you that are tuning in for the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And go ahead and hit that bell notification so you're updated when I do lives or drop another video. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about multiple income funnel. And we're going to be mostly talking about income stream number one, which is the funnel itself. Here it is, guys, right here. All right, so what I'm going to do ahead is just go ahead and log in. All right, and once you log in, I'm going to go over the actual funnel with you guys. Okay, so this right here is the start page. What you're going to do here is once this starts, okay, you're going to watch this video right here. Very, very important that you watch this first video, and after you see that, okay, it's going to give you a quick synopsis of exactly how the system works. Okay, then you're going to go ahead and join the Facebook group. All right, now once you're in, you're going to see a way how do you actually make money with income stream number one. Okay, well, it's the funnel. So when somebody comes into your funnel that is brand new, they pay either a one-time fee of, I believe it's $3.99, which going to net you a $200 commission, or $180 commission, or on a monthly basis, which is $49 a month, and it will net you a $20 commission. All right, so you see how that works. Okay, when you get into the system, that is the first income stream. Why? Because you're going to be promoting the system as a whole. Now, I know a lot of you are not really familiar with how to promote a funnel. Okay, you're just used to promoting maybe one item at a time. This is a little bit different, guys. This is a one funnel that has 4 income streams in it. Okay, so what you're going to be able to do is promote one affiliate link, and you're going to make money in 4 different areas. Okay, so once you've watched this video that gives you a quick synopsis of exactly what's going to go on, you join the Facebook group. You're going to be able to head and go and get your link, which is right here. All right, these are your capture links. This is the first capture page if you want to use this, and here is the VSL, which is the video sales letter that your targeted lead is going to be seeing when you send out traffic. You're going to send out the traffic, they're going to go, they're going to sign up, you make a commission, and that's how the income stream number one works. Okay, you have access to traffic itself and leads, and you also have access to resources. Okay, so income stream number one, guys, what I like to do, and this is how I promote it. I go right over here to where it says Facebook post. They give you Facebook post, okay? Right here. So what you do with this, you copy this, you copy that, and then you go over to Facebook and you paste it right on your Facebook wall. It does, as you can see here, guys, it doesn't put a link on the actual post itself, right? Because you don't want to be putting links on your Facebook posts, guys. Very, very important. Facebook will come and shut your account down. They don't like that. Also, you got to get an income stream number one. You got to get email swipes. You're going to get up to 7 swipes that you could send your list. So when they sign up for income stream number one, you get a commission. Okay, so that's how income stream number one works. You get banners, and you also get social media. So you could actually post these on your story, on Instagram or Facebook, or any of the social sites that you use right now. All right, you get to be able to track your leads right here. These are all your leads. I have a lot of leads over here, and I'm not going to really be putting people's information out there. Your team, okay. And what I like to see about this is that you have your business, and you can actually see your commissions, guys. So I have all these commissions over here pending, commissions that have been paid out, okay. You could set up your e-wallet here, and you could set up your profile here, guys. Very, very simple system, but this is income stream number 1. Once you're in, you want to make sure you go ahead and set up everything so that you're up and running. Set up your income streams. See right here, and it tells you income stream number 1. Set it up. Okay, it says click income stream tab above to watch a video instructions to set up additional income streams. These right here, 1, 2, and 3 are the additional income streams. What you want to do is go ahead and set this income stream up. That's very, very important of the whole funnel. All right. And if you haven't seen the video yet already, you can catch the video right above, right there in the corner for income stream number 2, which is Easy One Up. The next one is income stream number 3, which is TechSpot, and income stream number 4, which is Traffic Authority, guys. But right here, this is income stream number 1, and I'm going to show you in a quick, real fast video exactly how easy it is to start it. All right, so here we go.
Hey, it's Mac, and I just want to remind you that income stream number 1, which is the multiple income funnel, has already been set up and completed. Remember, you already came through our marketing system and plugged into our income stream number 1, which is the very same marketing system that you're a part of right now, for only $49 per month. So now it's time to set up the remainder of your income streams here in the system so you can get paid every time someone you refer goes through the same exact process that you're going through right now. So go ahead and click the tab right above this video that says income stream number 2 to discover our second income stream in this system.
All right, guys, so you can see it's very, very, very easy. And once you're in your first income stream, you got to set up everything. You got to set up your e-wallet. Okay, it's very simple, guys. If you want to if you have a bank account or, you know, whatever you want to do to set it up, you can set it up that way. And then you're going to get a whole back office tour of exactly how the whole system works. Guys, this is very, very self-explanatory. All right, for those of you that have been looking for a verified income stream, a verified way of income, a way of making money online, this is it. This is it right here. Okay, and like I alluded to you before, a lot of you are not used to a funnel. You're used to just one product and that you get a commission off of. With this one, you have a way to make money with 4 different income streams. So when somebody comes in and goes through your funnel, they sign up right here for the actual funnel itself. Then they go to income stream number 2. Okay, purchase a product there. Then they go to income stream number 3, purchase a product there, and income stream number 4. They're going to need traffic to run the promotion, so they're going to buy traffic. And every time somebody gets paid and buys traffic, you get paid on that, guys. So it's very, very, very simple. It's very easy, plug and play system, guys. There's really, really no guesswork about it. But if you do have questions, feel free to email me. I will put my email in the description down below. And if you want to join me in the multiple income funnel and get paid up to $5,200 for one customer going all the way through the funnel, go ahead and click that link to get started. And once you're in, email me and I will make sure to help you and give you some of my additional bonuses. All right, guys. So that is an overview of multiple income stream number 1, the funnel itself, guys. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.